VO5, short for Alberto VO5, is a well-established and budget-friendly hair care brand known for delivering quality shampoos with a rich blend of vitamins and essential nutrients. First introduced in the 1950s, VO5 originally started as a conditioning hair treatment for Hollywood actresses. Over the years, it expanded into a full hair care line that includes shampoos tailored to suit everyday hair needs. VO5 shampoos are especially popular for their affordability, refreshing scents, and formulas enriched with 5 essential vitamins, E, H, C, B5, and B3, that help nourish and strengthen hair from root to tip. One of the standout features of VO5 shampoo is its lightweight, non-greasy formula that effectively cleanses the scalp and hair without stripping away natural oils. This makes it suitable for daily use and for all hair types, including normal, oily, and fine hair. The shampoos lather easily, rinse cleanly, and leave the hair feeling fresh, soft, and revitalized. The brand is well known for its Herbal Escapes and Moisture Milks lines, both offering delicious scents and hair-healthy ingredients. For example, Herbal Escapes Kiwi Lime Squeeze is a clarifying shampoo that removes buildup and refreshes the scalp, while Moisture Milk Strawberries and Cream is deeply hydrating, perfect for dry or dull hair. VO5 shampoos appeal to users not only for their performance but also for their variety of scent options and family-size bottles that make them highly economical. The fruity and floral fragrances leave hair smelling great all day long. These shampoos are ideal for people seeking simple, effective hair care without the high price tag. Although VO5 products may contain sulfates, which provide a foamy lather, many users appreciate the clean and smooth finish they offer, especially for basic cleansing and refreshing of the scalp. The brand also offers 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner